And the problem that most people have is they don't have a choice. They don't have any choice about how they behave. With NLP, you have choice, so you can be the person you want to be. You can work towards becoming that person. You don't have to be the next Tony Robbins or the next, Bob Marley or the next whatever, but you do have choices of improving. This is why on my YouTube channel, at the moment, my header, I might change this, my header says aim higher. Because for me, it's about understanding your ambition, your influence, and mastery. Let's talk about those three for a second. Ambition is like aiming higher. It's like you have a choice to improve. But if you don't aim higher, you're not going to be able to improve your life. So ambition is really important to me personally. And I think it should be to you and everybody who learns NLP. Influence is about communication. It's about being able to explain why something is a good idea so that you can help to change hearts and minds. And then mastery is about becoming good at something. It doesn't have to be NLP. I chose to become a master at NLP. I chose to really immerse myself in NLP and become the very best NLP trainer I could be. But you don't have to do that. You could be the best practitioner. You could be the best accountant. You could be the best mom, dad, brother, sister, whatever it is that you can be, and master that. You could be the best gamer, the best driving instructor, whatever it is. The point is to pick something that you can excel at and to put a little bit of continuous practice in over a period of time to become the best version of that. And that's why I say aim higher. It's ambition, influence, and mastery. And that's really what I want to, I guess, share with the world. It's like, that's my message, aim higher.